This is little Effie and Marley. Marley's a darker gray, and Effie is the little tuxedo. They're both polydactyls, which means they have posable thumbs. They're just darling. Oh, my goodness. As you can see, they're very active, very cute. Good. Hey, you're on video. Whoa. Can we see your face? That's a very cute face. And you're playing with the camera.